Hurray, high resolution. Spy photographers have delivered the highest quality pictures yet of the future mid-engine Chevrolet Corvette, this time as it was undergoing winter testing in the Arctic. This would seem to be the same test mule previously spotted from high above a test track and at a McDonald's, but these provide the best glimpse yet of what we might expect from a mid-engine Corvette, or whatever this ends up being. The only difference seems to be the wheels and tires, but that's because of the snow. At the very least, we can now spot that despite having its engine in the back, this Corvette maintains a removable, Targa-style roof. We can now clearly make out the lines at the windshield header and across the B-pillar/roll bar. We can also spot that there is clearly an air intake underneath the squarish black side panel, as if the enormous rear end and short front end weren't already enough of a mid-engine tip-off. Question: is the area aft of the backlight large enough to fit the removed roof and perhaps the trunk like the original Acura NSX? Also, from what we can make out of the fascia beneath all that black camo, there's very little to dissuade from the ongoing belief that this will indeed be a Corvette. Whether it's a C7 replacement or an addition to a new Corvette family is still anyone's guess at this point.